Hello bro, temta asing ni lihat ni crunch pangka basic proportionality theorem. Nani ki khade karuka Thales theorem. Ni theorem ki shai buram yu Thales uday u Greek philosopher, mathematician, and astronomer. Uba ema kisnam ruspa from Rio do sanspa asal pusan shwa ukres lani kiom BC in English dai. Kat kum kajing syam jung Thales lani ka statement kajing ong jangan ni basic proportionality theorem in English kiom umne. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides at distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Tingin siya liya ban pengkala khasi ni ka statement siben. Ya ka pementa ini liya ban suthu shwa ka jingmut jungan ni theorem. Te hang ni ngidon new triangle, ban in ai karta new triangle A, B, C. But ki sides new triangle kidai BC, EB, baru AC dai. Dia mentang ini lihat draw wave line belong parallel yu BC, but new line ni tu, but new line ini ya, I kerteng yu udu DE, okay. Tiga pembuat hang ni new line DE belong parallel yu side BC, but pindah pet bahang ni new DE kan, we think who yu EB how point D, we think who yu EC how point E. Ya ketu kiong ba DE intersect, hak di English kiong intersect, we think who. Intersect EB how point D, but we intersect you EC how point E. Okay? Tingin to ang niro ba DE is parallel to BC. Okay. Di kat kum kajing ong jung to theorem, basic proportionality theorem ko ba if DE is parallel to BC, lalu DE long parallel to BC, then kemudian EB and EC, kemudian EB baru EC are divided in the same ratio. Kemudian kinsha divide lani kinsha pia aga juga ratio. Te ka pementa tarai pila ya suthu baham lani pila don gajing suthu ko basha spang ratio tingin mengam jeliu sho spang ratio ma. Tingin chia pe bikum ne. Pina pe yu side EB uni point D u pia yu side EB haki R benta ED padu DB. Dia ka ratio jong kini ki R benta dan kini ki R parts. Ya ratio jong kini la bentok ni ED by DB. Dan ni kini ki yong ED is to DB. Okay. Tiga tu ka ratio jong ED padu DB. Tiga ni la ban ong ni D point D ula pia yu side EB hak ratio ED is to DB. Dia haju ko kam ro fina pe hu side EC uni point E bodan hang ni u pia yu side EC haki R bentala ni two parts R part dai wave de EE but wave but way EC but the ratio jong kini ki R ni lawan tho EE by EC EE upon EC dan ni lawan ong ya ka ro no EE is to EC dan ni lawan ong point E ula pia yu EC hak ratio ka ba long EE is to EC. Dia pun ong ba EB and EC are divided in the same ratio. Lan dia pun ong ba yu EB ba yu EC la sha pia aga jo ratio mat ni kan. Mut ba kini ki ratio artli hang ni, ini ki ratio artli hang tu ki long equal ka bumut ED by DB ka dia pun long equal yu EE by EC. Lan ni EE is to EC. Teka tu ada basic proportionality theorem. Tingin dia pet yang tu statement, yang tu statement jong tu theorem dulu kong. Ini lihat pan sutu bahaya ka mantapan mo. Dia kong if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, ladang ni draw your wave line belong parallel your wave side jong triangle. Belong tahu line jong yang ni du A, tahu line jong yang ni du D, nah belong parallel you side you, belong parallel you side BC. Intersecting the other two sides at distinct points. Ya ubaya think who ya kita kiway par ki sides halagi jong ki points. Stephen apa yang dia uni DE we think who you side EB how point D we think who you side EC how point E. Te nang tu pakam no da. Then the other two sides kita ki artli par ki sides we dia EB and AC. Tikini ki we ki sides ki cha le no are divided in the same ratio. Kin cha phia ha juga ratio. Kebamut ED by DB ka di balong equal ya AE by EC. Tika tu ada ke basic proportionality theorem.